What up, guys? What up? What up? Just getting a few things set up real quick, last minute, like always. I need to get better on being more punctual, cause yeah, twin, what's up, man? What's up? You are first, man. Just getting a few things set up for the live stream. We're doing the giveaway live stream today, so appreciate it, man, for being on. And yeah, Slayer Gaming, what's up, man? What up? What up? Hopefully y'all doing good on this Friday, man. I'm doing good. I feel good. So I'm from Texas. It's been hot. I actually went to the kind of like a little small water park that we have over here earlier today, man. It felt good going just cooling off. It really did, man. Had fun. But appreciate it, guys, man. Glad that you're on today, because today is where I'm going to be doing the Amazon gift cards giveaways. So, you know, I'll be doing that in a few. What GPU is that behind you? Oh, so this is a 3070. Damn, where is it? 3070 Ti. Kind of hard to tell, but yeah, 3070 Ti. So got that. Then of course got the 12 Gen i9. Dude, this processor is awesome, dude. It's awesome. So, how's everybody doing, man? I see Sam's on here. Um, yeah, man, appreciate it, man. I'm glad that all of you are on today. Because again, to remember, guys, today is the giveaway that I'm going to be doing, the Amazon giveaway gift cards. So I do appreciate it for all of y'all. Yes, I am. I know somebody just mentioned, are you announcing giveaway winners? I am announcing giveaway winners. And what I'm doing different than what I kind of did the other times as well is, in order to have a chance to win any of the give Amazon gift cards that I'm going to be doing today, you have to be on the live stream. So let's just say if you're on the live stream right now and there's only 10 people on the live stream, well, that means you have a 1 out of 10 chances of winning. You're gonna have a good chance of winning. So all of the gift cards that I give out today, it's only going to be for the people that are actually on the live stream right now. So if you're on the live stream, dude, then you got yourself a good chance of winning um, at least one um, gift card anyways. So, yeah. But, man, appreciate it, man. Thanks for all of y'all to be joining. And hopefully all of y'all doing good, man. Hi, I added a clock for Texas. How's your day? Man, my day's good, man. My day is going pretty good for sure. Um I mentioned earlier, so I went to the water park earlier today, and dude, I haven't been to a water park at all this year. I probably should have, because it's been so hot here in Texas. But man, it was fun, man. It was awesome. Camera quality is pretty impressive. So the camera that I'm using, and let me get the box real quick for that, is um, so this is the camera that I'm using right now that you see is the Blackmagic Cinema 4K camera. Dude, this camera is awesome, dude. I'm a big fan of this camera. I decided to eventually pull the trigger. For a while, for like a good 2.5 years or so, I was using this Canon M50 camera. And this camera is awesome, dude. It takes awesome pictures. For video, it did its job. But whenever I did live streams and stuff like that, now this is not a 4K camera either. This is just a HD, uh, when it comes to recording camera. But it had limitations, right? It's not 4K for one. Number two, it times out after 30 minutes, like literally cuts off after 30 minutes. So I can't be dealing with that when I'm live streaming. So AJ Smith, what's up, man? I'm doing good, man. How about yourself? I'm doing good. Not hotter than where I'm from. So how hot is it over there, where you're from? Is it pretty hot? So for us, we've been on average, like the last week, we've probably been like 102, 103. But like a couple weeks back, man, we were like at 105, 107 even. You know, it's pretty hot, man. So those of y'all who are joining or just starting to join, man, y'all appreciate it. We're gonna be doing a giveaway, something new, something. This is like my fourth month doing it. It's something that I started like a couple of months back, and something I want to continue on to do. Right. I kind of been building. I've been building some relationships with people here on my YouTube channel. Those of you who are new, you know, my channel mainly focused on programming. You know, like Python programming, AWS. So, you know, I've been making videos. I've been helping some of the viewers. People have been meeting with me one-on-one for me to help them out. So I've been, you know, meeting and kind of building a little, building some relationships with a lot of my viewers. So one of the things I kind of wanted to do is this, like a giveaway, something that kind of do it once a month, right, at the end of the month type deal. So this is kind of like the giveaway for July. July is already over with, but because I do my live streams on Friday, you know, that's why it's kind of today. But this is something that my fourth month's doing, and I want to continue to do it. And also, as my channel grows, also do probably more of it, right? Whenever I do it once a month, probably do more giveaways, like give away more gift cards, or even, you know, bigger amounts. I know some of y'all may need it, may be in the need, you know, sometimes are tough sometimes, and at least, you know, me giving something back hopefully helps out whoever needs it as well. So, are you using Nightbot? I am not using Nightbot, but I need to get it. I know I've been seeing a lot of people use it on Twitch, people that I follow on Twitch, and I do need to go ahead and you know, get that set up as well. But no, I'm not using it right now. But I am planning to get that set up and start using it. That's for sure. So what time is it? It's 9:09. Again, guys, man, this is those of you who are joining that are just starting to join. It is our Friday giveaway. So I am going to be, I did this last month. I was actually traveling last month when I did this, but I did do it last month where I gave away some, I think I gave away a total of 3 gift cards, I believe. And yeah, so I think today, same thing. We're going to give away 3 gift cards. The way I'm going to do it, because again, these gift cards are going to be kind of scattered throughout the live stream, is I'm going to, once I do get ready to give away one of these gift cards, I'm going to just ask y'all to enter in the chat. And whoever comments shows up as entered, at least that I know that you're still on the live stream. I'm going to take your name. I'm going to be using this app that I actually found called spinnerwheel.com. And I'll kind of just show y'all real quick. This is the app that I'm going to be using. So ultimately, it's literally that, right? As I copy everybody's name in here, literally spin the wheel, and then whoever name it picks, that's going to be the winner. So again, want to keep it unbiased, want it to be random. So that's kind of what I'm going to do in order to you know, keep it that way. So again, guys, whenever I mention, hey, enter your name for the first giveaway or the second, whatever, whether it be the first, second, or third giveaway, just type in enter in the chat. At least that lets me know that you're still on. And then I'm gonna take all of those names, copy it, paste it in the wheel, and then of course, you know, hey, you have your chance. So let's go. We're gonna start. Actually, we're gonna start very soon. But before we start, if you don't know, I'm a tequila guy. And I always, on my live stream, I drink me some tequila. So, of course, I'm drinking some Suero today. This is a tequila. This is not new. I had this many times, but it's one of my favorite tequilas, which is why I bought it today, because I feel like drinking this tequila because it's good. It's not expensive for being this good of tequila. Like this tequila in my mind is way better than Patron. And Patron costs like what, $54 or something for a bottle. And honestly, I don't even think it's really that good. This bottle's $30, and it's way better than, in my opinion, than Patron. Real good tequila. Sir Novis, hello, how you doing? I'm doing good, man. Again, we're gonna be doing the first giveaway soon. I just had to pour my tequila real quick. Gotta do the smell test. Man, this smells good, dude. It's some good tequila. I'm telling y'all, some real good tequila. This is one of my favorite tequilas, man. It's real good, and the price is awesome. It really is, man. Alright, guys. So, again, we're going to be doing a few giveaways. For the first giveaway that we're going to be doing is going to be a $25 Amazon gift card. Right? So, you want to put that out there. It'd be a $25 Amazon gift card. Since Amazon is everywhere in the world, it shouldn't be a problem where you're at. If you happen to be the winner, then we will connect, and then all you need to tell me is which Amazon you want the gift card to be delivered to. Like, is it a UK Amazon? Is it a US Amazon? You know, whatever Amazon country it is, I would just need to know that information. Because whenever I go and purchase that gift card, I need to go to that country's Amazon page and purchase it that way. So just kind of want to put that out there. It really doesn't matter where you're at, so anybody should be able to win. As long as you have an Amazon where you live at, by all means, I should be able to get you a gift card. I just need to know the country on where you win. So give me 1 second, and then we'll get started, guys, on the first one, on the first giveaway. So let's see. Just want to make sure that I could copy. Cool, yes. Alright, I think I got it. Alright, guys. So, again, if you're online and you want to be part of the first giveaway, which is the first one will be a $25 Amazon gift card, type in enter. Go ahead and type in enter. I'm going to wait probably for at least a minute to let everybody put in, give them a chance to type in enter. And then I'm going to take that list of names and we're going to throw it in the wheel. So again, guys, type in enter if you want to be part of the first giveaway. In the chat, put in enter, and I'm going to wait about a minute to let everybody put enter in. All right, I see a few coming in. Cool. All right, let me see. All right, let's see. I think we got a few people. Let's see. Okay, we got twin. We got one more. Yep, we got another one. All right, just trying to give a little bit more time for the one that are coming in right now. They could type in their name. Let's see. Yep, we got another one. Let's see. Enter me, please. All right, we got 3 more people. All right, we got 2 more people. Let's see, who else? Who else do we have? Is that it? Okay, there we go. We got a few more. Oh, we got a new subscriber. I appreciate it. Sky Dragon 33. Thanks for subscribing. All right, we still got a few people coming in. Who else? Who else do we have? Is that it? All right, I'm gonna wait. Going once, going twice. Oh, we got one more person. Can I be entered? Yep, go ahead. Got you entered in. Toothless, you're entered in. So just kind of FYI, those of you who are new, the only requirement is you got to be a subscriber of mine. You know, so just, you know, want to make sure that you are aware of that as well. I think most of that I'm aware of, at least everybody is, but if you're not, that's the only requirement anyways. All right, I think that's it, guys. Going once, going twice. Boom, I'm gonna kill it. All right, so no more entries. That's it. Those are all the entries. So anybody who types in enter, sorry guys, you could enter on the next one. We're gonna do more, but for now, I'm gonna stop it. I am a sub. Awesome, dude. Awesome. You're a sub, then you're good. You're good to go. So let me go ahead and get this. Get everybody's names. So we're gonna go ahead. We got another subscriber, Jack the Hog, the Hot Dog. I appreciate it, Jack the Hot Dog guy. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. So now let me go ahead and get everybody's name, and let me put it in the wheel, and we'll get this going, man. So one thing I do need to do right now too, as I get the whole list, I am going to do a remove duplicates. And again, this is more for somebody happen to enter in, like type in enter twice. You know, it's not going to enter in your name twice. Just want to put it out there, FYI. So just putting that out there for sure. Let's see. All right, guys, I'm getting the names. I'm just kind of putting the names together right quick in a list, and then we'll do our first giveaway, man. I'm gonna spin the wheel and let's see who wins. Is that it? Nope, almost. So anybody who's coming in for now, I'm already done getting the first giveaway list together, but stay on the live stream because I'm going to be giving away more giveaways. Again, Amazon gift cards. So as long as where you live at, you're able to get Amazon shipments and you buy from Amazon where you live at, then it doesn't matter what part of the world you're at, I'll be able to get you a gift card. I just will need, if you're the winner, I'm just going to need to know where, like what part of the country are you from, right? Are you from the UK, Australia, or wherever it may be. That's the only thing that I will need to know. So I'm just removing duplicates, just try to be fair. So if somebody accidentally entered in twice, don't want to really give them a advantage. And then, you know what, there you go, I found 5 duplicates. So there were some people that enter in twice, so good thing I did that. So now let's go to the spinning wheel. Boom. So this is everybody who entered in, right? So everybody's able to see my my screen. And again, this is a software that I'm using called spinnerwheel.com. So there's nothing on my side. There is no favoritism or anything of that. I'm literally letting the software pick the winner. That's it. So let's get started, guys. I'm going to spin the wheel and let's see who wins the first set of gift cards. Again, we're going to be giving away a few gift cards. This is not just the only thing we're giving away. We're going to be giving away a few. So I would recommend to stay on the live stream if you want to participate in the other ones. But let's get started, guys. Let's spin the wheel. Let's see who wins. Here we go. Oh, Sky Dragon 33. And I think you just subscribed as well to my channel. I think I saw your name pop up. Which, if you did, awesome guy. You are the first winner. Sky Dragon 33, man. You're the first winner. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. So let me go ahead and I'm going to copy your name. And let me go back and I'm pretty much notating this right as well. So you are the first winner, and this would be for an Amazon $25 gift card. Cool. So, Sky Dragon 33. I will connect with you. I'm trying to think the best way to connect since I don't have your email. But go ahead and message me on my email. So email me at contact@imlu.net, and just kind of I guess the only thing I need is your email, and then we'll be able to communicate that way back. And then you'll be able to tell me your details, like what country you want the Amazon gift card to be at, and all that stuff. But I need to find a way to verify just to make sure that other people are not emailing me like, "Hey, I'm Sky Dragon 33." So we'll figure that out. I'll make sure to do some vetting and make sure somebody else doesn't try to claim it. But dude, we got a first one, man. First giveaway for Sky Dragon 33, man, which is awesome. And again, we're gonna be doing some more. And then on the final, also, because FYI, the final giveaway, it's not gonna be a $25 giveaway. The final giveaway will be a $50 Amazon giveaway. So just kind of putting it out there. Those of y'all who are part of still the live stream, when we get towards the end, that would be the final giveaway that we'll be doing, which would be a $50 Amazon giveaway. So again, thanks again. Appreciate it, those of you who are joining. And yeah, man, just having fun. Again, enjoying my Friday. Hopefully y'all having a good Friday. My Friday's been good, man. It really has. I've been meeting this whole week. I've been having some one-on-one meetings with some of my subscribers. Again, those of you who are not aware, I do a lot of programming type content on my YouTube, Amazon, Python programming, stuff like that. So the last couple of weeks, like 2 or 3 weeks, I actually been meeting some of my subscribers, viewers, been like have been reaching out on one-on-one meeting with me in order for me to help them out, right? Maybe they're stuck, they're trying to implement something, they need some guidance, stuff like that, which I like to do, man. I mean, that's the whole purpose of why I make these YouTube videos, trying to share my knowledge, try to help everybody out. Like, I'm very thankful that I'm in a position that I am, but again, I guess I feel thankful because I've been on the side of struggling, right? Where struggling financially, struggling to get opportunities, right? Having to bust my butt off and do more and go beyond than anybody else just to even be considered like the same, to be even considered the same as my colleagues, for example. Those of you who don't know, like, I don't have a college degree. I'm a software developer, and so I've been doing that for some years now, and I enjoy it, and it pays well. I mean, it does, but it was tough. It was tough to get my foot in the door because I don't have a degree. I didn't have a degree, for one. I'm self-taught, kind of learned just throughout, just on my own. And when you do that, sometimes it's kind of hard, man. Like, not everybody's going to give you opportunities. So you got to kind of prove to them on why they should give you a chance. On why, sometimes you got to like open up make your own opportunities to make things work. And it's hard, but it's worth doing, man. It really is. and that's kind of where I'm trying to do. I think now I'm at a point now where I have some time. I want to help out other people, and that's kind of the whole reason why I started my YouTube channel. Trying to build a community, trying to help out people. I know a lot of the people that have been reaching out to me, and I've been like meeting with them one on one and giving them guidance, have been actually college students as well. And again, that's whatever I could do to help out, man. That's kind of um, what I'm trying to do, and that's the whole purpose of me even doing the live streams, right? Kind of getting a lot of people together, try to help out some. I mean, again, it's nothing crazy. It's not like I'm giving away thousands of dollars or nothing like that. But I know, hey, $25 here, $50 here. For some people, hey, that's something that may be very beneficial. Very beneficial, right? So, and again, hopefully as time goes on, man, that things get better with my channel, be able to do other stuff to help out as well, everybody else. Thank you for giving back and happy Friday. Man, no, again, that's what I put it this way. I'm not trying to do it. It's more of a I feel I want to do it, so I need to. I think a lot of the times, a lot of us, man, there's things that we want to do, like good things, right? Things that we may have in mind to do, but sometimes it just the putting the action piece behind it. And I think for me, I have always been like the way a lot of people are. Like we want to do good things, we have things in mind, but man, we don't. It's always that getting started, putting action. I kind of struggle with that early, like some years back, but the last couple of years, what I felt, I've been very like just do it. Like don't overthink it. Don't whatever. Don't things don't need to be perfect. Things don't need to be all lined up in order to do something. Just start, right? Just put action. Just do it. And I notice as I've been doing that, I've been getting better results. Like there's no need to have everything perfectly in place, and then I'll do something, right? Just start where you're at, make the best of it. What happens is, even though you may not have everything in place, but because you put in action, you start thinking about it more, and you start dwelling on it more. The more you think about it, the more you're dwelling it, the more action you find yourself putting into it. And because you're putting more action, eventually things start to click. Things start to fall in place. Opportunities open up, right? Or whatever it may be. Maybe it's savings, financial, it doesn't, whatever it is, right? But everything just kind of starts falling in place. So that's at least that's kind of been my mindset as of late, anyways. Try to think less and kind of just do it, like put more action, right, behind things. So, but again, man, hopefully y'all doing good, man. Like, how are y'all doing? Y'all doing good on this? I guess some of y'all Saturday morning. It may not be Friday, maybe Saturday, but y'all doing good this Saturday, Friday night. It's Friday, my time. What time is it? 9:30 p.m. And I'm gonna be streaming for a while tonight. So for me, Fridays I start streaming at 9. Normally in my YouTube channel around 10:30 or so, around there. Then I'm gonna be on Twitch later on tonight, probably around 11:30 to, I don't know, maybe 2 in the morning. So yeah, man, I'm gonna be doing some streaming for sure. I'm good, dude. No, man, that's good to hear. Man, good to hear that everybody's doing good today. Again, drinking my tequila, just enjoying the day. I'm gonna be streaming. I always enjoy streaming, man. Like the more I've been streaming, the more I've been enjoying it. Been meeting a lot of new people, interacting with other people. At least so far, right? I mean, the people that I have been interacting with and meeting, everybody has been good, solid people, right? Like, I mean, I get it. There's trolls out there and stuff like that, but I haven't really got to that point where I feel like my channel not that big where trolls come and start messing with me, and at least not yet, anyways. But either way, man, the community, the people I have been meeting have been meeting here have been very good, which is awesome. So, man, I'm telling you, man, this tequila's good. It smells so good, man. It really does. So let's see what time it is. It's 9:30. We'll do our next giveaway in a few. So again, if whoever happens to be on, I'm a troll. You're a troll twin. Hey, if you're a troll, you've been pretty good. At least to me, you've been pretty good, anyways. So I don't know if you troll everybody else, but really, I have not seen nothing necessarily bad come out of you towards me, anyways. Which I appreciate that if that's the case. It's Saturday, 8 a.m. in India. Yeah, it is. That's right. Um, cause it's your what are your like 11 hours ahead, I believe. So yeah, that no, is it 11? Yeah, 11 hours ahead. So that makes sense. So this live stream, one of the things I sent you email. Thanks. So you know what? If you send me an email, let me take a look at it real quick before I get spam with everybody else. Because just want to make sure I don't get emails from somebody else. Um, cool. I got your email. So I'm gonna do this just from confirmation, and I think this makes sense to do for the other viewers as well. I'm gonna send you a 3-digit code and just put it in the chat. At least that tells me that hey, you did get it. Like I am communicating with the right person through the email. Let's see. Let me go ahead and type this real quick. All right, cool. So I just responded back. Let's see. Once you get my email back, if you could just put that 3-digit number. There it goes. Cool. Just want to make sure, man, because at least this just makes it a bit easier on my side to know that All right, cool. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, man. That's probably the best option. Whoever does win, email me right away. I'm gonna provide you a 3-digit code back, and then as you type it into the chat, at least that confirms that you are the right person I've been communicating with. So after the live stream, it may not be right after the live stream because again I will be on Twitch later tonight, but if anything, it'll be tomorrow morning for me. Anyways, I'll be emailing all the winners, and then from there we'll communicate. You'll tell me what country you want the gift card to, and then I'll get that process. And normally, the way it works is you will get an email from Amazon directly with like the link, I believe, for the gift card. So yeah, just kind of I think that's how it works, anyways. All right, guys. So we're going to what time is it? 9:35. In the next 2 minutes. So not yet. In the next 2 minutes, we'll start the next giveaway. So don't type in enter yet. Not yet. But wait. We're gonna wait another 2 minutes or so, and then so again, those who happen to be on right now, then yeah, man. That would be the list of people that would be able to have a chance. So. In the next 2 minutes, we'll get started with the next set of giveaway. I'm telling you, man, this tequila's good. It's one of my favorite tequilas for sure. And again, those of you who may not know, I'm a tequila guy. Again, I don't necessarily drink it every day or nothing like that, but when I do drink, which for sure I drink on Fridays on my live streams. Can people win more than once? Or should I set out the next giveaway? So for the people who have won already, the way I would do it for now would be the last giveaway. Everybody's able to enter in again, right? So let's say if you won already, you won the first one. Whenever we do our last giveaway, you are able to join in again and then ultimately win the final prize, which is the $50 Amazon gift giveaway. But all the giveaways between that, yes, I will say you could sit out, just to kind of give somebody else a chance to win. But again, on the final one, it's all anybody could participate. So, when would be your next live stream for Python? So for Python, we're gonna do for sure next Friday. This Friday, of course, is strictly um, would be for kind of the giveaway. Now we could talk programming stuff here as well too. So by all means, anybody who's on here that follows me from my programming stuff, you're more than welcome to ask any programming questions and stuff. But we probably won't go too detailed into it like the way we normally do on the other live streams, just because of the giveaway that we're doing. But if you have questions related to programming, questions related to, hey, how do I get my foot in the door? Maybe just some input advice. Be more than happy to ask any of those questions. But yeah, we won't do any hands-on stuff like the way we normally do until our next live stream on Friday. I am working back to do my other live stream, which I want to do on Tuesdays, but that one will probably be early Tuesdays, not late Tuesdays. So it may be like 11 to like 1 p.m. Central Time on Tuesday. So I'm still trying to get that, set, I guess, like better organized. But yeah. All right, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and give away another giveaway. So again, type in enter. I'm gonna give everybody about a minute or so to enter into the new giveaway. What got you into programming? So I think for me, what got me into programming was I was very interested initially in SQL database, and I didn't know what it was, but I saw a colleague at the time. He was a programmer. He was tasked with he had a task to create a SQL view. He didn't want to do it. He was just all like pissed off about it because he was a C# developer. So he wanted to be more focused on developing, not necessarily on working on this view. Well, when I saw him, I started asking questions like, dude, what is that? Like, that looks cool. I don't know what it is. I'm just like, that looks cool, dude. I want to, I'm interested. So he told me a little bit of insight, like, yeah, it's database programming, blah, blah, SQL language, and so on. So I went home that night, started like Googling the crap out of SQL Server, SQL, doing all kinds of stuff like that. I had a little small laptop. It was like crappy laptop, but I actually installed, it had enough power to install SQL Express. So I started actually playing with the database and interacting with it. And so that's kind of how I got my foot into IT, more from a database side. So after that, maybe 2 years or so working on database projects, we're working on this other bigger project, and we needed IT. Well, we came up with a solution. The solution was we're going to build this app that does X, Y, and Z. The app is going to like extract PDF data. It's going to load data to the database. It's going to load data to this API. You're going to do all kinds of different stuff. So we had a meeting with IT. Told them, hey, can you build us an app that does X, Y, and Z? So of course, what happened was they were like, oh no, that's too difficult. That can't be done. Like, that's what they told us. Of course, in my mind, I'm not a programmer. I didn't even know programming. The only thing I knew at the time was databasing. That's it. I was like, bullshit. Like, there has to be a way, dude. That's bull. And of course, I went home again. And Shadow Gamer, I appreciate it, man. Thanks for the sub. So I went home and I found, I think it was Coursera at the time. It used to be free back then when it first came out. But I saw a course for fundamental programming, and they just happened to be using Python as a language. So I started learning the fundamentals of programming, and so as I started to learn that, it was probably after a week or so. That is when I started building this app, And again, the code was messy as hell, but but it got the job done. And ever since then, dude, I've been like just doing expanding my knowledge, working on other projects, and of course getting better and better throughout the years. All right, so I think that's it, man. I think we have everybody. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everybody's name, so we could go ahead and do the next giveaway. So let's see. I do see some comments that I missed. Is there any way I can use Databricks for practice without paying for it? Um, I don't think that you can. I'm trying to think if there's a way to do it, but I don't think there is a way to use Databricks without paying for it. I think you have to pay for it. I know on Amazon you could get it on their marketplace, but again, you do gotta pay for it though. It's not gonna be free. Not that I'm aware of, man. Not that I'm aware of, anyways. All right, let me go through the list again and remove any duplicates. Just in case if somebody happens to enter in dupes. Again, whoever happens to win, email me if you can right away on contact at iamlou.net. That's my email. I will send you back a 3-digit code, and then go ahead and paste that 3-digit code into the chat, and then that would allow me to confirm that, all right, I'm communicating with the right winner through email. So like that, tomorrow morning, at least for me, tomorrow morning, I will be emailing all the winners, and then I'll be able to get everybody's info as well. Like which Amazon location, whether it be UK, US, or so on, to send it to. All right, let me go ahead and re-enter it. Let me make sure. I think I need to clear it, right? How do I clear this? Okay, there it goes. No, there we go. Yeah, this is everybody. So before we do that, let me see. We can use regular expression for document processing in Python. We can build a Python script. So when you say document processing, you're talking about to find text in a file, or because that you could for sure use regular expression to find, like, do search keyword texts for sure, like, right, whether it be a Word doc, PDF, text, so on. I actually have a video where I kind of build a Flask UI app that kind of does that. I don't know if you've seen that video or not, but I do have a video related to that. Never say never. Anything is possible, and I hope you prove them wrong. For sure, man. That's what you have to do, right? And I have. That's the thing about it. Like, and that's my advice to everybody else. Like, even if you're trying to get into programming, you're like, dude, it's too hard, or people say you can't do it. Dude, it doesn't. Oh, you know what? My bad. Thanks for telling me. I forgot to remove dupes. So let me go ahead and remove dupes real quick. So thanks for identifying it, because, man, I would have actually forgot. Yep, so there were 2 dupes in here. I removed 2 of the dupes, and now we should have a clean list. So let me go ahead and paste it back. Hold on. There it goes. All right, cool. 22 inches, awesome. There it goes. Yep. Appreciate it, Twin. Because honestly, I forgot to remove duplications, and thanks for being honest and mentioning it. So appreciate that. So let's go ahead and let's shuffle these. I'm gonna shuffle the whole entry. Let's just mix it up real quick. All right, so everything being mixed up. Cool. So let's see what time is it. 9:47. We got our list. Before I spin it, let me answer another question. I did it for extracting information from PDF invoicing. You can, so the package that I have used for PDF, what was it called? It's an old package that's been around for a while. It's called oh man, I'm trying to think. There are some newer ones, but not PDF Reader. A Pi PDF 2. So that's the one that I use in one of my apps that I end up building to extract data from a PDF. There could be duplicates. Yep, you're right, Jack the hot dog. And Twin, thanks for bringing it up because he's the one that found it named in there twice. And I did remove dupes already. So dupes have been removed. And yes, Pi PDF 2 is the actual name. I use it for the video that I have. And I'll show it in a minute. I don't know if you've seen it or not, but that it works pretty well. All right, guys. So now I'm about to go ahead and spin the wheel. Again, whoever wins, email me at contact@imlu.net. Let me just type it, contact@imlu.net. I just put it in the chat. There it goes. I wasn't even showing the wheel. But if you win, email me right away at contact@imlu.net. I'm going to wait 5 minutes to get an email response. If I don't get an email response in 5 minutes, then that tells me that you probably dropped off or whatever. I'm not sure. Then I'm going to just respin the wheel, have somebody else win. Give somebody else a chance to win. So again, just FYI, if I spin the wheel and you win, but you're not on the live stream to respond back because you're the winner, I'm going to give you 5 minutes to email me right away, that you won. But if I don't get nothing back in 5 minutes, then we'll move on and spin it again to see if somebody else wins. So, all right, guys, let's spin the wheel and let's see who wins today. Again, this is for a $25 Amazon gift card. So let's spin it. Oh, AJ Smith. There you go. AJ Smith's the winner. So AJ Smith, if you're on, go ahead and email me at the email that I put in the chat. And what time is it? It's 9:50 right now. 9:50. So we're gonna give him 5 minutes. We're gonna give AJ Smith 5 minutes. I know I said he, but it could be, if it's a female or a guy, whoever it may be. But give them 5 minutes. There you go. You are on. Yeah. Thanks, man. Cool. Email me again if you can, man. Within the next 5 minutes. I'm going to email you back a 3-digit code just to make sure that, it's the right email. And then just enter in that 3-digit code in the chat. At least that kind of confirms that, all right, you are the person that emailed me. Got it, but it won't be extracting PDFs. Not structured. You may be right. I'm trying to think if it would be structured. I emailed you, man. All right, so let me check my email real quick. Probably get it in a few seconds. Let's see. So I'm about to email you back 3-digit code. All right, cool. So just emailed you back. All right. So while we wait for that, so if I go to my GitHub account, so I think you're right. I think what you're saying is, hey, we got some new people. Hello, hello. Yep, I see your. Let me check real quick. Yep, I got it. Cool. 963. Awesome. So I'm marking your. Uh, all right, cool. So we got two winners so far. Sky Dragon 33 won the first one, and AJ Smith won the second one. So big congrats on them on those two winning the first two giveaways that we have done. Um, so we're going to end up doing. We'll be doing another giveaway soon. So those of you who are just joining, who are just coming in, again, thanks for joining. We already did two giveaways, so those are done. Whenever we get ready to do the third giveaway, then I will let everybody know, and then that's when everybody could start typing the word enter, right? So once we get ready, we're not ready yet, but once we do get ready, type in enter, and based on that, I will take all of those names and we'll put it into the wheel, like the way we kind of been doing so far, and see who wins that. How can I get quantities in my SQL? No, that's the what? My bad. Am I reading it right? That's not quantities. Really appreciate you giving back. I'm trying to do what I can, man, for real. Like, I just again, I'm in a position where I feel that I can. I have not always been. Well, I mean, most of my life I've never been that way. Been more broke, right? Growing up, especially when I was young, right, out of high school, just working, barely making ends meet. It's been tough, man. Like we all have. I really think, dude, a lot of us, we have stories, man. We do have stories. We do have, when you really sit down and talk to people, whether it be people that are maybe very well off now, a lot of them have stories from back in the day that nobody really knows about. There are a lot of people that are probably have their own challenges and struggles today that later on in the future, when things get better, again, they could do things to help out, but a lot of people who may know them in the future are not really going to know some of the struggles and challenges they kind of had to go through to eventually get to that better position or better state in life where they're at, right? And again, it doesn't always have to be financial. Sometimes it just may be more from mental state. Again, everybody doesn't mean you got to be a millionaire to be in a good place either, right? That's not necessarily the case. But and by all means, I'm not there, at least not yet, anyways. But I'm in a good place where I feel I could do stuff now, right? Where before I could not. So it's kind of what I'm trying to do, anyways. How many giveaways are you doing? By the way, so what time is it? It's about to be 10. So we're going to end up doing one more giveaway, but it's going to be the big giveaway. It's going to be the or the bigger giveaway, I guess, the $50 Amazon gift card. So that's going to be coming soon, and that's going to be our next giveaway, our $50 Amazon gift card. So also keep in mind, this is the final giveaway they're going to be giving away. It's the $50 Amazon giveaway. And for this giveaway, anybody could enter in, right? So just want to put that in. You could all enter in. It's a kind of free for all, pretty much. So just put it out there. Currently in your younger position and hoping to find my passion soon. And so one thing I would mention to people as well, like I think would help me find something that I actually enjoy doing, and I'm able to have a career in doing, and everything's good with it. Like I enjoy doing it. I mean, I do it on my spare time, so it's not like a job where you only do it because you get paid. I do it even when I don't get paid, right? I do it on this after hours, pretty much. I do it all the time. I make YouTube video stuff related about it, stuff like that. Um, but I didn't get there just by getting there. I think for me, you got to try things. That would be my input to my advice. You don't really know what you like until you try things, right? Um, and sometimes it may require, and this is not a bad deal either. Like sometimes maybe you get you maybe you pursue something that pays well money wise, but you don't really like it as much, and that's fine too, right? Maybe you go into a career, I don't know, let's say real estate. Like you go into real estate, you don't really like it as much, but hey, it pays well. You're able to flip homes or whatever, and you're able to make good money. Let's just say, what I have seen people do that don't like necessarily something, but it pays very well. And this is smart of them to do this. They go in it temporarily and try to get as much money as they can, and then what they do, then they leave. And when they leave, now because they were able to gather so much money, like dude, there's programmers that, let's say, that work in Google or Apple, for example, they don't actually like their job. So what I have talked to some of these people, and I have like heard some of their stories, and for them it was more like, hey, I know programming, I know how to do it. So what I did, I got a job in one of the big tech companies that pays $250,000 a year, for example, and then stay there for maybe 6 to 8 years. And as I worked there for 6 to 8 years, over time you start making more money, right? Toward the end of the 6 to 8 year mark, you're making maybe $400,000 a year or whatever, because you get raises every year and all that stuff because you've been there for a while. And then live very minimal, right? Just because you're making 250,000 or $400,000 a year, you don't start buying luxury cars and big homes and doing all that. They lived very basic, just minimal, and they saved a lot of that money. They invested a lot of that money, and that's a lot of money, man. When you're making 300,000, 400,000, that's not pennies, man. That's like a nice chunk of money. And even after taxes, and you're living like within your means, right? Kind of basic living, circumstances. Put it this way: if you're living in the same style that maybe somebody who makes $50,000 a year, but you're living in like that their same neighborhood, their same kind of lifestyle, but of course you're making $400,000 or $300,000 a year, dude, you're gonna have a lot of disposable income every year. And then of course they were smart, they invested. So that means they were investing like, dude, easy 150,000, maybe even 200,000 a year every year. I mean, think about that. Think if you have 150 to 200,000 and you put it to the side and invest it for the next 6 to 8 years, you're gonna have over $1 million easy. And that's what some of these guys did. They did that, and after that, they're like, dude, I'm gone. I don't want to be in tech no more. Like, I don't even like that job no more. Like I didn't even really, they did not even have a passion for that. They were just more of a, hey, it pays well, but it allowed them to get out early, right? Like get out. Like when I say early, not stay there till they're 50 something years old. They got out when they were like 30 or 32. And then once they get out, they're like, hey, I'm technically retired. I'm retired. I could just do whatever or go find something to do, right? Just do things that maybe they enjoy doing, and they were able to build up a nice pile of cash. And again, so if that's sometimes maybe it makes sense to do that. Like, hey, maybe you go down a path where it's gonna pay well career wise, but you don't like doing it. But if that is the case, and that is in your case, try to get as much money you can, live within your means, and get out. Once you're able to stack up a lot of money by doing that, then don't stay there, right? Don't feel stuck. And I think that's what happens sometimes. People that have good jobs, but they spend so much of their money, but now they're stuck at a job that they're dependent on because they're spending all their money, right? They're taking too many trips a year. They're buying, you know, Land Rovers or whatever, right? Very high end vehicle. They're living in very expensive houses, and I don't know, man. It just again, it's everybody to their own, right? But I would recommend try to save and invest as you can. Trust me, man. I've been broke where I couldn't save and I couldn't invest because when you're making ends meet, there is no investing, there is no saving, man. You're literally like I've been in a position in the past. I didn't even have enough money for gas, dude. Like I literally was like on fumes, you know, hoping and praying that my vehicle had enough gas to get me to work on Thursday. And I say Thursday because I remember during that time I used to work second shift at the warehouse, and they used to pay us on Thursday nights, not Fridays. Everybody else got paid Friday, but because we worked second shift, they used to pay us Thursdays. And as soon as I got paid, dude, I was just hoping that I had enough gas to make it. Because if I did, during lunchtime, I'd get my check. I was literally going to the damn gas station, cashing my check there, and filling up my tank of gas. Dude, it was like, trust me, I've been there. It sucks. And if you're in that situation and that sucks, which I'm pretty sure does suck, make sure that those experience like bother you so much that you find something else to do. Like really put some fire under your butt to like find something. Like, dude, I gotta do something, man. I need to find something else, whatever it is. And I don't know. I mean, that's kind of what it took me in a way. And I think over time, little by little bit, I was able to squeeze my way into the IT department. And then, so again, how I mentioned the story earlier about SQL, I saw somebody doing it. I was like, dude, I'm interested. I went in my own time after work hours. I was studying on my own. Nobody asked me to study. Nobody told me anything. I did it on my own. Started spending about 4 to 5 hours every night. So I was going to work, and I didn't work 8 hours either at the time. Whenever I was working, like when I was interested in learning how to do SQL, I would probably put it in at least 9, maybe 10 hours a day, because I needed that overtime, right? Any money, extra money I could get, just helps out some, right? To not be too tight on money, like too broke, I guess, right? But so I was already working 9 to 10 hours a day anyways. And then on top of that, I was going home, spending another 4 to 5 hours Monday through Friday. And then also on weekends. On weekends, I was spending like 6, 7, 8 hours a day. Just like studying hardcore, studying. And then, even then, whenever I went back to the office, that's whenever I told that guy, hey, can I do it? I think I learned enough to be able to do that. Can you let me do it? He was like, dude, go ahead and do it because I don't want to do it. Here you go. So for me, I was all excited. He was excited because he didn't want to do it. I was excited because I'm like, dude, I want to figure this out. And then I did. And by me figuring out and building that view, the IT manager saw that. He was like, dude, you know how to do this? I'm like, yeah. Look, I was more like, yeah, sure, I know how to do it. He was like, oh, we want you to come to IT. And boom, that was my first job, my first step. Like, I had to make my own opportunities, but that's what it took, man. I had to do something. I had to go beyond either hoping or waiting for somebody to throw me a bone. I had to go find an opportunity. When I found something that for me, I found being interesting, I had to like start putting action, not ask permission. I didn't ask permission because if I would have asked permission, they would be like, no, don't worry about it. He got it or whatever, right? I didn't ask permission. I just went on, spent my time learning it. I asked the guy, can I help? Can I do it for you? And the core just worked out fine because he didn't want to do it. So because he let me do it, and then the business was very excited that we built this view for them because they needed it for this report. IT manager was excited and got my foot in the door, man. Ever since then, I've been in IT. So sometimes you gotta make your own opportunities, man, and it sucks sometimes. It's just how life is not always fair, that's for sure. But either way, at least, even though I know there's a lot of stuff that makes it hard. Let's see. We got some people. Hello, how are you? Account. I'm doing good, man. We got hi. Doing good, man. So those of y'all who are coming in, appreciate it. We're gonna be doing one more giveaway. We're gonna be doing it pretty soon, and this is gonna be the final giveaway, which is gonna be a $50 Amazon gift card. So whenever I give the okay to do it, not yet anyway, but once I kind of give the okay, anybody who enters into the chat, I'm gonna take that list of names and I'm gonna put into the spinning wheel. So we have this spinning wheel. Those of y'all who are just coming in, and yeah, man, it's gonna pick a winner. That's some motivation for sure, man. Again, dude, like it's um there's other stuff and that I will eventually talk about one day as well. But hopefully, if anybody in that position, man, like what I just mentioned, again, for straight out of high school, man, I worked in warehousing. I started off working when I first got my first job out of high school, working in warehousing, making $8 an hour. Wasn't making much, very little, and then eventually over time, just had to try to get a little bit here and there where I can, and but again, how to find some opportunities, man. How to open up some doors. I couldn't wait till doors opened up automatically. Sometimes you gotta make your own paths. You gotta open up doors. You know, it's just it's kind of what it takes sometimes. What are these account names? So let's see. YouTube is the best. Yeah, I'm not sure what that account is. YouTube is the best. A pro player. Hello, what's up? Giveaways. Yeah, I'm not sure who's that's actually a good question. There's one called account. D dudes are sus. No, I agree, man. I agree. I totally agree. So I do appreciate it for bringing that up because that's those would have to get flagged for sure, man. Before we do our last giveaway. So yep, appreciate it for bringing that up. How are you? Hello, light bulb pop. I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. How about yourself? How's your night going? Seem like days few are fake. No, I'm with you, man. I really think they are. So I do appreciate it. Cause those I will get those removed or eliminated from the list for sure. Light bulb pop. They have emails though. You're one of them. You can check. This guy is giving himself away with tons of fake accounts. Yeah, which that's not good if that's the case either, man. Like, I know that some. I'm not saying anybody here is doing that because I don't know, man. I don't want to like start accusing anybody either for doing something like that or whatever. But I know there are some people that does that for sure. I actually I had one of my viewers, one of my subscribers, reach out to me. This was like 2 months ago, maybe or so. They're like, "Hey, I just want to let you know, like, there's people that they do this for a living. They literally, have like one person would have dozens and dozens of accounts, and they do it to I don't know exactly the details why they do it, but they do for." Maybe I don't know. I'm not sure, right? I mean, 'cause that's a lot of accounts to be managing if you're doing that. But yeah, I'm just not sure. I don't know if it's more for the purpose of what's the word? not giveaways of, you know how there's some companies where you could like buy subscribers or stuff like that, right? Like I've had people reach out to me like, hey, you want to be part of our service? Like you could, pay us, I don't know, $100, and you could gain 500 subs, or 100 or 500 subs or whatever, right? Some kind of amount of subs or whatever. And I'm assuming, I wonder if that's kind of what they're doing. That's their strategy. They have all these accounts, and they do something like that. I'm not sure. Um, you're gonna cheat, be smart. That's exactly what is happening. How's your night? I'm doing good, man. How's your night? How's your night going so far? So what time is it? 10:13. All right, guys. So at 10:15, so real soon, we're gonna do our final giveaway. Thanks for Slayer Gaming and for mentioning about some of these other accounts that are popping in. So some of them are pretty obvious. The ones that are obvious, I will be removing from the giveaways. So again, thanks for bringing that up. But and hopefully try to, maybe at least minimize it. My night is going good. All right, man, that's awesome, dude. Well, you're actually right on time because we're gonna be doing our our final giveaway here soon. So we got one more giveaway that we're doing, and yeah, man, you're more than welcome to participate in the final giveaway. Premium. Hello, Premium. How's your night going? Also, I want to give a special thanks for JN Design and Amelia Romo. Both of them actually gave some donations to my channel. So, a big appreciation for that. Again, I don't ask for none of that. I put that more as an option for people that want to, but again, I don't want people to feel that you have to either. The reason why I do put that as an option is there's projects that I'm working on for this channel. Like some of the stuff that, um because my channel is starting to make some money right now. Not a lot on YouTube ads, but it's starting to make some money. Then of course there are some people kind of donating as well. Some of the things that I will be doing is because I get requests like, hey, can we do some testing over like SAP integration, or can we do some testing with Salesforce integration, or like some of these other systems. Well, a lot of these other systems, there is no free demo that you could get. For example, at least not the enterprise version. So what's going to happen, and in order for me to do testing, which is what I want to do as well, I actually need to buy a license. And some of the licenses are not cheap. It could be, $1,000. It could be maybe a few $1,000s or whatever. Some of them maybe a few $100s. But that's the plan long term, right? As as my channel grows, get more funding for a channel, where I'm going to be investing money to purchase some of these licensings for these platforms, and then we could do testing as well, just like the way I do a lot of my other stuff in live stream, to be able to do it. So let's see what's going on here. Starting to see a lot of chats. I want to enter the giveaway. None of them seem to have no profile pics and random names. Yep, no, I do agree. So we got a few people. I just sub. Can I enter? Can I enter giveaway? Enter me. So again, not about to do it yet. About to do it. Haven't done it yet. So give me about a minute, and then we'll be doing it very soon, right? So you want to put it out there about a minute, and we'll be doing the final giveaway very soon. So Nicole's, that's great. I know everybody put in. All right, guys. So go ahead and put enter in now. Go ahead and put enter. start putting in entrance to the chat. I'm gonna give everybody about a minute or so to join. So give y'all about a minute or so. So everybody go ahead and start entering in. All right, let's see. I'm gonna give it about a minute. Let everybody enter in, and then we would do our final give. Again, guys, it's gonna be our final giveaway for tonight. Again, I do appreciate everybody who has been here joining. It's been good talking to a lot of y'all, man. So everything has been good for sure. All right, still got a few other people. So I do see that some of y'all entered in twice. Just keep in mind that I will be removing duplicates when it's all said and done. Sky Player Epic, I appreciate it, man. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the subscribe for sure, man. Appreciate it. I just realized, man, it's actually kind of basic. I need to change that, change my layout, make it look more professional, because I have not spent time on that at all. Also, guys, those of y'all, give me a follow as well if you can on Twitch. My channel on Twitch is I am the real Lou. So again, just putting it out there, man. That's where I do my gaming. Right now, I'm streaming Halo Infinite. I'll actually be doing that later on today, Halo Infinite. So I'll be playing that later on. But either way, man, y'all, you give me a follow there, man. Appreciate it as well. All right, got a few other people. Epic Gamers on, nice twin. Then he entered you. Weird. Let me see. Am I missing something, twin? So you said weird, but why do you say weird for? Maybe I'm missing another message before that. Weird. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, making sure. I think we may have everybody here. We have Anne. Hi, just got here. Cool. Enter me. All right, cool. I see that you're entered. Glorious food. Us foods. TGI Friday live stream. It is live stream, man. We've been talking, just having a good time. Again, drinking my tequila. I'm getting everybody's enter whoever wants to be part of the final giveaway, type in enter, and then I'll be putting everybody's name and to the giveaway, to your final giveaway. So where so one of the things that Epic Gamer 800 appreciate it, man. Thanks for the follow for sure. All right, so I think I may have everybody. I want to say, so there is a few things that is sticking out, and I think Slayer Gaming just actually mentioned one right now, which is there's only 11 people watching. Where are all their accounts coming from? And that's true because you're right. I'm looking at my analytics right now, and I do see we have about 11 or so people, but I received way more enters than that. So there is something for sure going on there. Um, Twin LOL. It is. Yeah, you're right. You should use the old list of people. I actually don't have the old list of people. There are some, and I know this is gonna be this sound kind of may sound not necessarily fair, but there are some accounts that do stick out to me right off the top. So for those accounts, I probably will have to eliminate from the list. But I'm gonna try to do my best here on to keep everybody that is part of this. So let me see real quick. Yeah, I noticed as well there are a few viewers but many comments. Yep, no, I'm with you. I'm looking right now. There's 11 viewers that I'm able to see. But I got way more than 11 names. Just got home and saw your stream. Appreciate it. Glorious food. So you're at least you're right on time, man. Just we're doing our final giveaway right now. People are using their other accounts, and you know what? I think that is what may be happening. I know I have like 3 YouTube accounts because I have an account for gaming, gaming at Lou, which is it's another YouTube channel that I have. Then of course I have my I Am Lou channel, which is this one. And then of course I have my third one, which is just like my name, first and last name, which is just like the default one, I guess. And I'm wondering if that's what it is. I see 13 people here and refresh. Now there's 11. Now true. Most of the people from the last list are in here. They have been watching the whole stream. So let me do this. I think I actually have the last list as well. So I do have the previous list that I have. There are a few new people here that I do want to add, which is going to be, one of them is going to be Glorious Food. So I'm going to add your name on here because I know you, based on what I could tell, you seem legit. So we'll be adding your name to the list. And Jack the Hot Dog, I know they're legit, so they're being added to the list. Yep, no, I'm with you. There are some that for sure are standing out big time, and those names I do have to remove because it logically does not make sense to have 10 viewers, but many more entries. So that's something at least is good to know for next month's giveaway stream. I need to figure out what are my options when it comes to trying to minimize. I do know that some people are legit that may have multiple accounts. Like, you know, they're legit people. Like even myself, I have 3 accounts in YouTube. You know, my this account, my gaming account, then I have my third one, which is like my personal account, I guess. So I think what's happening, some people are legit. They're on here once, but they're probably submitting under all multiple accounts that they have. But I don't think, I do think some of the one that we saw earlier though, like the more obvious one, like the one that's called account, those are just probably bots, is my guess. You should use Nightbot so you can filter out the chats. Okay, I'm gonna check that out, man. I'm gonna check out Nightbot for sure and see how that could help me out in this process. All right, cool. So again, guys, I do got Gloria's food because again, you do seem legit, and I'm adding you. You were not on here before, but you are on here. Just kind of going through the list to make sure that the people that everybody who seems legit is on here that entered in. Or maybe somebody who Alright, so let me just finish cleaning up this list, guys, and then we'll do the final giveaways. It's going to take slightly bit longer because I am trying to, much as possible, remove any of the bots and things of that nature, right? So I am trying to do that. Would you say account? So account says my name is just called account. Gloria says food. No, I do appreciate it. Again, I know you mentioned you haven't been on earlier, but I am going to add your name because you know, you are a subscriber and everything as well, and this is kind of supposed to be for people that are subscribed to my channel. So your name is on there. I am going to keep your name. Your name is on here. Yep, your name has not been removed. So Liverpool, I believe your name is on here as well. Let me check. Just let me make sure. Nope. You know what? Your name is not on here. Let me add your name to the list. I'm just trying to do some final cleanups right now, man. Because again, I do understand that we, without a doubt, we may have a few bots, but I think we also have a few double accounts, right? And by that I mean people that are legit but probably submitted under their other accounts as well, their other YouTube accounts. Redstone Minecraft, yep, nope, I know who you are, so man, I'm adding you to the list. Alright guys, I'm just doing some final cleanup right now. Now he's switching accounts, saying they are not fake. Well, again, I think some of these I do think are fake. That's why I'm trying to figure out who's fake or who's not, which is kind of tough. I think some of the other accounts potentially are probably legit accounts from a legit person, but I think they're probably switching accounts and then joining the live stream, right? You know, under the other account. And now everyone's real. Again, guys, I'm not sure who's real, who's not. That's why I'm trying to at least try to do the best I can to figure out who is. I'm just trying to think if what's happening, which even if that is happening, by all means, it probably is not fair if you do have multiple accounts and submit it under multiple accounts, because that is giving you more chances to win technically, right? But I'm trying to at the minimum remove the fake accounts, at least that stand out to me in a way that's fake. I do. I did. I did go back to the O list. FYI, guys, I did go back to the O list, and that's why I'm just scanning through the O list right now, trying to make sure that there's no names on the O list that's part of any bots or anything, right? That at least have that seem fake. So again, FYI, though I am using the second list, right? The list before. I did go back to that list. I am using that list. I'm just doing a quick scan, try to make sure that nothing stands out. There are a few people that I did add, like Glorious Us Food, Liverpool got added, and Redstone Minecraft. So those people did get added to the list. Um, all right, so I want to say, I mean, this list seems pretty legit, I think. But it still is greater than what I had before. That's the only thing about it. Um, but I think this is the best that I could do when it comes to the list to use. So I'm going to share my screen, and so at least all of y'all could see what the new list looks like. Um, Sunato, I don't think I pronounced your name right, but you have been a follower of mine for sure. Like, so I know you're legit because I've talked to you before in other live streams. So I will add your name while I'm at it on here because I know who you are. So you're good. But again, this is still 28 entries. It's a lot of entries, but this is the best that I could think of right now. This is the second list, FYI. And I did add a few extra people, which I added Redstone, Minecraft, Liverpool, Glorious Us Food got added on here. Oh, you know what? I need to remove dupes. My bad. Damn it. I need to remove dupes real quick. I did not do that. Um, Alright, so we had two that were duplicated in here. Let's get that removed. Okay, so it's still got 26 entries. Okay, so I do have one more. So this will be the last entry right here to enter in. Oops. Where's your name at? ANSHUAGARI. So they do. You're right, man. I totally agree. Some of these do look sus. I just cannot tell, though, to be honest with you, on who's what. So here's the one that I'm aware of. Yeah, I just can't tell, man. I mean, that's what makes it tough. Overall, at least based on what I could tell, unless um, most of these I believe have pictures on their logo. Um, so again, guys, I mean, I think this is the best I could do in this case. We'll figure out, I think, something better. I think I need to figure out something better for next month. Put some thought into it and see what I could do to try to really narrow down and kind of minimize the double or triple or whatever entries or the bot entries that's going on here. So again, guys, this is probably the best that I could do. So let's go ahead and enter it in, guys. Let's go. Oh, nice, man. Nice. So he has been a follower of mine for a while. He has been a part of my live streams many, many times. and I really do appreciate, man. Your support, because you have been. I know for a fact I have seen it firsthand on my live streams many times. So, man, I'm glad that you're able to win. Awesome, man. So here's what we're doing. Go ahead and email me. Email me at. Let me type it in. Email me at contact@iamlou.net. So go ahead and do that. Again, I'm going to give you 5 minutes to do that real quick. I'm going to send you back a 3-digit code and then just type it into the chat. So if you're able to do that within the next 5 minutes, then yeah, man, you're good to go. If not, I will be spinning the wheel again to get a winner. So I just want to make sure that you're still on the live stream. So go ahead and do that real quick. Email me. You got 5 minutes. So it's 10:38. I'll give you a few minutes to email me. Then I will be responding back with a 3-digit code and type it in. Then that will confirm. Again, man, yeah. Congrats to all the winners, man. I know there were some iffy things kind of happening with the amount of entries compared to the amount of viewers. I need to put some thought into it to kind of try to address that and fix it. If any of y'all have some ideas, by all means, I do want to connect with you. I'd be more than happy to hear you out and see your thoughts on what you think I could do to reduce it in a way. I don't know if we could ever eliminate it, but at least minimize it, right? For future live streams. But I will be looking into it. Be looking into it some more myself. See what I could do, man. I just don't know exactly right now the best solution, but I do need to put some thought into it, man, just to kind of make it a bit fair for everybody else. That's part of the live stream. Cool. I just emailed you. All right, there you go. I got your email. I just emailed you back the code. Go ahead and put your code in the chat, and then once I see that, then we're good. The night body filter out active users. So just set some rules for the next giveaway. Gotcha. Okay. That's good to know, man. That's actually good, because I think if people are switching accounts, that'll fix that issue as well. And then also it'll stop the bots. You're right. It'll actually, I think it'll stop both. It'll stop bots, which I think we have bots, but it also will stop people that are using multiple accounts. So they're switching accounts. It'll probably stop that. Will be my guess as well. Cool. Yep, that's the number, man. So I got your email. And again, I will be emailing the winners back tomorrow, my time, tomorrow morning. And then all I'm gonna need is gonna be the Amazon that's near, like whether it be a UK Amazon, US Amazon, India Amazon, whatever country it is, so I can make sure to give you a gift card for that country. There are other settings you can implement, but it's all down to your preference. No, I think I need to, man, for this, in order to try to be fair as much as possible. That's what I need to do. At least start off somewhere, and then from there just kind of tweak it, right? Make adjustments as needed. But I gotta implement something, man, because it was pretty obvious where we had like 22, even 25 names entered in the spinner. But you're right. I think the max that I show on my analytics was like 15 users, I believe. I think I had like 15 like concurrent viewers at one time. So I'm from India, so Amazon India. Cool. All right, that's good to know. Again, guys, man, I do appreciate it. Thanks for those of y'all who did join. I will be doing this every month. So again, next month, same deal. Those of y'all who are from the US, so this is strictly US only, but those are from the US, I'm giving away hardware on my Twitch channel. So if you need, like this last Friday on my Twitch channel, I give away RAM and some Razer mouses. I'm going to be giving away other hardware every month. So like here on YouTube, I'm giving away Amazon gift cards every month. On my Twitch channel, which give me a follow if you can, I am the real Lou. On that channel, at the end of the month, every Friday, I will be giving away hardware. So again, this past Friday, I gave away RAM, DDR5, DDR4 RAM, and some mouses and some Twitch subs. This upcoming for the month of August, I'm probably going to be giving away like Elgato hardware, capture card, Steam Deck, maybe some like USB camera, Elgato products pretty much. So again, if you're interested or need that, man, go ahead and give me a follow. Give me a follow on Twitch. I am the real Lou. So, whenever I do my giveaways, you can be part of that live stream and participate and have a chance to win hardware on that channel. So, again, guys, I do appreciate it, man, for everybody who did join, who stayed, and everything. So, what time is it, man? It's already about to be 11. I know there was a few questions that I missed that were related to more like tech programming, and I do apologize, guys, that we really didn't get to follow you on Twitch. Also, man, appreciate it. So I do apologize that we didn't get to those questions like the way we normally do on normal Friday live streams. But next Friday, guys, we'll get back to it like normal. We'll talk about tech stuff. We'll start solving some of the problems, and hopefully I'll be able to really give more attention to that next Friday, and we could discuss like the way we normally do, right? And actually try to solve some of these problems the way we normally do. So again, guys, man, I do appreciate everybody for watching the live stream. By the way, will the Amazon giveaway be given via email? It is. It's going to be a e-card, I guess. I think that's what they call it, right? E-card. So the way that normally works is I will be entering in your email, the one that you email me at, and you should get an email from Amazon directly. So Amazon will email you directly with some sort of link or something or a code. I'm not sure what it is, but that's how you could redeem your gift card through Amazon. So you're not going to get nothing from me. I will purchase it through Amazon, then Amazon will send you an email directly. So that's kind of how that works. But I'll be doing that tomorrow morning. So for me, it's nighttime right now. It's like 10, 11 p.m. at night. Tomorrow morning, I'll be doing that. So you probably won't get an email, I don't know, maybe in the next like 12, 14 hours from today. So just wait a couple of hours. But yeah, it'll be a couple of hours before you get the email. What else? Again, guys, man, anybody who is interested in programming or any of that stuff, man, go check my calendar and find time. You're more than welcome to book time. I'd be more than happy to spend some time with you one-on-one, give you any kind of guidance, any insight, any direction, anything, man, whatever I can do to help you out, man. That's what I'm trying to do here. That's the purpose of what I'm doing here with this channel. So whatever I could do to help you out, I'm more than happy to do so. I do appreciate a lot of the support I have been getting, a lot of my followers that follow me, all of that, man. I am thankful for that, man. Yep, congrats to everyone that won, man. And a great stream. Appreciate it, man. It was a great stream. I'm very thankful for everybody that was on here. Again, like always, a lot of cool people that joined the live stream. So again, very thankful for y'all to be joining. So again, guys, want to call it a night. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks for joining. I'm just solving Leap Code, haha, interview prep. Awesome, dude, awesome. That's great, man. That's great to hear. Hope you do some videos on Python and SQL. I will be doing Python. I will have a video. I will be releasing probably 3 videos tomorrow related to Python and AWS. And then I am going to be doing more videos related to SQL as well. Mainly Postgres and SQL Server. but probably some MySQL as well. But for sure, Postgres and SQL Server, I will be touching bases some more on that. So there'll be more of that coming on. Again, guys, I do appreciate it, man. Thank you. Thanks for everybody for joining. And again, next month, guys, we'll be have another giveaway next month. Come and join, and do